Hey everyone, we are on day 19 of 2 weeks of techniques, Encore. So today we're going to do a traveling tree ring, and if I'm not happy with the way it comes out, we are going to be injecting it. So my colors today are Van Dyke Brown by Lucas, Metallic Cobalt Blue Hue from Artist Loft, Worn Penny from Deco Art, Brown Ochre from Lucas, and Champagne Pearl from Craftsmart. And I think I'm not going to spray the cup because I don't want a ton of cells. This already has silicone in it. Our paint mixing videos are right below the links. So if you want to see how we mix our paint, you can just click on one of those links. We have it there for the bottled paints and also for our base coats. So I am going to use quite a bit of paint because we are going to travel. I'm not sure if I'm going to go down and come back through or go around and go over, and whatever I see coming out of the cup will tell me where I'm going. So I wanted to keep this kind of earthy colors, but I did want to throw that metallic cobalt blue hue in there next to that worn penny. That'll give us a nice southwest vibe, even though I did not add any orange or terracotta. And I'm not putting a ton of this brown ochre in there either, because it does have a tendency to take over. This will be my last round. I like the cup nice and layered like that. And I will finish with the brown, so that's our first color out. And I can empty this bottle. Yay. The mirror is just for focusing, so I can get rid of that. Okay. I think I'll start on this end. So we will be making circles because this is a traveling tree ring. I'm always afraid of muddying colors together when I do that. So we may be using our injection. I didn't get a great pattern in that. So let me just move it around a little bit and we're going to go ahead and inject. Okay, that kills me to get my bottle dirty. If you guys have been watching me well, you know that I'm a little OCD about my bottle staying clean. Nothing that a little baby wipe can't fix, right? Okay, let's stretch this out. We got a lot of paint on there. And I think I'm going to inject it some more because I'm not seeing a lot of white. I'm going to get that corner off there, brown. I'm going to leave it. I think when this dries with the metallics and that blue there too, it'll be really rich looking. So I think I will torch it now, because the white will sink some more yet. I'm not loving it, but I'm not hating it either. I think when it's dry, I'll love it. So that's going to be it for this one, guys. That was really quick. Click subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell, and you'll be notified when we upload our next video. Remember, these are just techniques that I'm showing you. You pick your own color choices. Leave a comment. Let us know what you think. Join our group on Facebook, the Barrage Posse. We have a great time in there. And also check out my Facebook page, Christina Welch Art, for all our announcements and things that are happening with the channel. Post office box address is below if you want to send a gadget for us to pour on or over. We're always game for that. Well, I should say Alan's always game for that, Mr. Gadget Man. And also Stone Coat Art Coat Resin. The code is below for $10 off 95. Shop with us on Amazon for all your paint pouring supplies. And if you're interested in paintings, check us out on Etsy. That link is below as well. Check out all the links. We have lots of links below for Redbubble and Teespring. And if you need any help finding something, just give me a shout out on my art page on Facebook, and I'll be more than happy to help you find it. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye now.